I think that Upper West region is one of those constituencies who is behaving in that funny manner. I'm telling you, if not because of the NPP, there are some major projects in the region here that would not have come to see the day of light if not because of NPP. Because if you take the regional hospital here, for instance, if His Excellency the former President Kufuor had not remembered Upper West, NDC wouldn't come to meet a project that is about to take place and then continue to get it finished. So for me, I have always maintained that whatever the Upper West region is doing, but they know what the NPP has done for them. If you look at most of our roads has been worked on by the new patriotic party, especially if you come to Wa Township. When Ambrose Derry was the regional minister, you realize that that was when we had most of the inner towns roads tied and asphalted. And they will bear witness with me that this, they actually enjoyed it from the government of the new patriotic party. And I think that, like I said, I'm not going to delve so much into it. Once we have another topic that is on the table for discussion about the Kent statement, I will leave it
Yeah.
there. Maybe there are some one or two people that have not also made some submissions so that they can also come in. Thank you very much
All
for
right.
always being on this. I'm grateful for
Thank
the
you so much, my
opportunity.
brother from. Thank you so much, my brother from the Upper West. It's always a pleasure having you. Yes, finally, Obapa Fanti, can I come in? Please
Ethiopia.
take it easy on my people, mommy. Why? Fire your body chair.
Oh, David.
Right.
I am not metakunto kwentina. I am meko baby obisa na mekunto kwa.
All right.
Oh, also I'm so happy, sir. Me Ndibia say I really me who any votarian and I work a person or Kasama NPP. In fact, I am M1. I just say it. You know, I really appreciate the way you guys are talking for NPP. I'm changing my mindset because me say me who's maybe NDC for that time. We all know that they're all NPP. So for you to see an Edward person supporting NPP, Nana is I think. But mono mama say things are changing. Yeah, which is very good. I really appreciate that. And send me panel better but it's not easy to get Obia a more supportive Obia more that kind of huge support for certain political party. It's not easy to change the mindset of the people. Because voter is meant for NDC. Until for you to even get about 300 people to support MPP, it's like it baffles us. I mean that's what I would say. It's regardless any panel, no, yeah, will be on ma. Oh yeah, day mano. I quite so be on an etia. Oh, part of fiat on bibia mano, or so on pel. It's a different not to me now. A dream be no dog a crana. Once a day on a bear day, as I say.
Yeah.
I think that we have to appreciate the voters and encourage them to come to MPP. And you can say yeah, condemn one because they've built their mindset on this particular political party. Even with the Asante region, it was just this recent. I'm also more drink NDC is also because it was hard. We have to respect what they are doing, and I respect you a lot. They are
So there's hope for voter region, yeah?
Oh yeah. So what's that then?
So there is hope for voter region to turn towards MPP.
Me, I think there is hope because of you guys. Let me say because me seeing some of 3 or 4 people talking for MPP that are votarians. No, I think there's hope.
Right.
There is hope. It's not things that we should keep encouraging the votarians. Say MPP is not for only accounts. MPP is for everybody. People have this mindset. Say the MPP is for only accounts. It's for only accounts. But this is the time for us to tell them that hey, MPP is for everybody. It's not for only accounts. So whoever that come and join MPP party, they are welcome. And we appreciate them and we love them, regardless whether they vote for us or not. We love them and we will show them much love. When MPP comes to power, we will still go there and show them love and support. They should just give us their trust and support, and we will also do greater things for them. That is it, period.
Thank you so much, Papa Fanti. Thank you so much for coming through. All right, Ebusianfo, let's quickly switch up now. Honorable Kennedy Japan, Eka Assembly Endra. In this campaign, me, frankly speaking, this is my view. Ni say, we cannot restrict what Honorable Ken says. Okay, you have to make a change. Say, okay, campaign, or can say, and I say, can say. All we can do is that, Okasa, we will be there to explain it. We'll be there to rebut. And the rebuttal is our duty. Well, I don't know for everybody on this platform, but for the people I know who are here, I know they are pro Baumia. Now, why when you pro Baumia so I mean, when you say it and I don't agree to it, I will disagree with you. That one there, and we move. Now, Honorable can say, Eyanka Eyo 2024. Debi, one can say 2024. Or say Eyo Noa 2020. Or say okay. Or say Ketuaba. Na electoral commissioner wamba bonte abeka say ye lose onu onjin to muta. This is what he said. And I'm saying, say, asema okaye no, there are two meanings to it. Number one, and say, he's saying, say, 2028, so be a flag bearer, now oko election anymore, on himself obe lose. But the only thing in say, onu dia oluzia, obe chen sa my electoral commissioner be announce answer. Meaning that 2028, I'm going to lose. I know I will lose. I will lose. But the only thing is that I will not be like Baumia who will come the next day and come and concede defeat. I will wait until electoral commissioner comes out. And I'm asking the question, say, NPP4, are we ready to be in opposition for 8 years? If no, then we cannot go and vote for a candidate who is already campaigning to become flag bearer and is telling us, say, obe luzi ba luzi dia, obe takashi, obe check akra until electoral commissioner comes in. That's not what the NPP wants. Now, the second aspect in this, say, we tend to speak about 2024. Say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Baye, ebe concede the next day as a mistake being or year. We have seen, say, historically, ufa elections, anytime candidates involved in the presidential, the delay in conceding, nipa. That is it. Fire history. For 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020. The only exception was 2024. And the reason was simple. The reason was there was a lot of tension in our mind also. 2024 election, a lot of tension. In fact, before election, embassies be breach or letter a diplomat said they should leave the country. So many embassies were either operating at half staff or many of them were closed during our election 2024. Because people were anticipating, say, BBC or Ghana. So that tension was there. Now, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia on him said, none of his children was a police station agent. None of his children. None of his children. So he could have kept quiet, say, oh, I know, say I'm losing, but let me still keep quiet and let there be confusion at the various places. So that we come and say, 5 people died, 10 people died. Now, so we had an election, nobody died, so we are not happy. We are not happy that nobody died. Is that the kind of politician we want as a party, as NPP? This is my question to you. Let me start with therefore. We're going for 4 minutes so that I can time everybody. Then we can.
Voice. Wait a minute, I'll engage you. Say or train na say declare na say we lose a hono obeje to man na say onjin.
So obeje to. Say pe what
is hono we lose na say we win.
Say we lose.
What is the sense in say obeje mfunso atin say maye mfunso na wa pacho na say anaso be ma ya twenwa ansa na waka so maye mfunso na me pacho. Ade unim say we lose. No matter how long you piece of wood will stay in water, no, and na crocodile. The ulusua, the longest time I bet him hold on it, no. Oh, and me more and ten money may win. It was the essence. But into perspective, say, doctor, all accept defeat, no. The every decision, no, your good side, then I your wrong side. Proud to the election, no. What was going on. Enyama citizens tackle the security personnel omo ji 12 from some omo say there were kiosks in a lot of the police stations.
Please, thank you.
There were a lot of issues at some polling stations. Include our security personnel even can hold them, even the citizens now your country fighting security. Oh,
Yeah.
and Yato Abanawi and the opposition party no when we need that time or project or suspect say and answer who knows when we need election. They were causing a lot of confusion. We are the incumbent government. We were not even ready for the election. Where we know, look at our security system at the polling stations. Bad. Security personnel were there. They were even fighting for their lives. Some of them, the citizens were collecting guns from the military. And you think, say, you should stay in the room and wait till 3 hours, 3 days for them to declare the election. Meanwhile, you could have just come out and say, simple thing, accept your defeat and remove, so that everything will be fine. And he did exactly that. You see, the voice,
Yeah.
Walusuaba, now unya the courage to come out and accept it, say, Walusuaba, that's what the kind of man you are. Not
Yeah.
everybody. It's only fools who hold on to it. Not every man can come out and say, oh, my for 25 chemi. No, it takes a courageous and sensible wife, husband, to come out and apologize to the wife when he sees that he's at wrong. And Omia took the courage, thought about it, have a thought about it, like say the world security system near corner, say me hold you on, Ebia Eddie, so born in Bragana. Everything no. Say me person me here president that we need Ghana before I can be president. We need Ghana before I can be president. You can't be president when there's a chaos in the country. And he thought about it and came out say, oh, I accepted my defeat in good faith. So we should move on as a country. And we did
Right.
even with him accepting the defeat. No, what happened?
Right.
Yeah,
That's it.
after all Jin or Jitum say MPP yedin kukuo no. And yet just say Nkukuo bi a ebia ye ka say e call recount e be wini o. We omobo ye from oni bi obi bo match. Wa show first half ye ni Chelsea ni PSG ye show mo 3-0 second half wa bo wa do 80. O just say referee asisiu. At that time no ye more penalties 3 kura wa nya untimi win that game no.
Yeah.
We lost wholeheartedly, we lost warmly. We should accept it and move on. And
Right.
Kennedy or no say, oh, mean to or tiny party na say in case a Ghana for better man I drew wakaso on jintu. But
Ankasa betting the party me that say.
men American, Mrs. or tiny party no. Na say Ghana for say yetumano. Na say okodruwa bi obetima ka say hono on jintu. But we MPP there, we support what Doctor did, and we appreciate that. Say, Objin Ghana home first. Now, near Trimpo Bonia and this for boys say nka omo person omo yen ambam na Ghana still ye wo Ghana wo ye nyina sabe ye ni age a ye kan say Ghana no. Me da ye da na ase.
Me da say therefore na me hwehwe nwom bia bo ama akaboa me ni bibia ko medo wa ama we soon. That's the song from Honorable Ken to Yen NPP for oni bibia ko obedo ya ama yesu. Before I come to you, let me go to Otu because he just came in and let me hear him 4 minutes now. I come to you, Walter. Yeah, Otu, welcome.
Okay. Good afternoon, Michelle Bibia. Say me Ghana ha say me kase obi brene ho ase obi ewo ahobrase pa me ankasa me say me wa ahobrase but ne de no echen me de no Dr. Mahmoud Bahomia.
Wow.
Na nipa obrene ho ase wa ahobrase obu bia onfo obi ani mu twitwiri fom enso onu momu na ase na kamfo edoso ade na mekasa nipa ba ko pe ono ankasa Yankasa MPP for Bibiri against Adentia. O they are not on China because of Bada Bang. Sa Obada Bang Mantrana ewo MPP for sono. O the MPP ton China. No one in Yanum Keremu for Sabi. Esenko bi padia kwasante kotokwa yenye na boro. O they are not on China. Yankasa Union Christopher. Who they no so to China Almighty NDC. We nyina Dr. Mahmoud Mamumet mi jinemo. Na me ade ya me ya pa ne say MPP4 is like at times we major on minors and we minor on majors. Hwe sister bi can say abronye amfa hospitals a Omampenia when any baby Kufuado Washanti region. All these hospitals
But also, my opinion, when you baby
at
con,
the last sister no cramponya abronya de beto wanka unimo
It's not right language. Mampenya watcham.
like wakona home gym sorry
wait a minute, can you? But I
when
figured there's something
wakona
wrong
home
with
gym.
that.
Okay,
Yeah,
sorry.
no problem.
Correct me. What I'm saying is upon all okay, thank you. Upon Sanyo we didn't communicate well. All these things, latter part of the election, before it started popping up, we had all the communication platforms. Yet we didn't communicate. So, I catch technical school. It will surprise you that there are some people even in voter region. So many people in voter region they don't even know the MPP government did it. Meaning we didn't communicate well. My little advice is the wedding yending and based on ABN phobia catcher. So to erase this from their mind, you need to package yourself well, measure on major things, and forget about minors. Things that divide us, let's put them aside. And let all of us hold on to things that will unite us, that will put us forward.
Thank you so
I'm
much,
done.
Uncle Lotu, for coming through.
Nakasa na si form.
I can't remember what we are now about next.
Okay, then let's back.
Oh, then don't then just have your bite. Whatever. What I can you?
Korea.